Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup payout records with Payoneer step by step clearly. First, log into your Payoneer account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section located in the main menu. In the Reports section, select Transaction History from the available options. You will see a comprehensive list of your transactions. To filter for payout records, set the date range that corresponds to the payouts you want to backup. Apply the date filters to narrow down your list. Once your desired transactions are displayed, look for the Download button. Click on the Download button to initiate a file download. Choose your preferred file format, usually CSV or PDF. Confirm your selection and the file will begin downloading to your device. After downloading, locate the file in your device's Downloads folder. Open the file to ensure that all necessary payout records are included. If you need further organization, consider moving the file to a designated backup folder. You may also wish to upload the file to a cloud storage service for additional security. Regularly backup your payout records to maintain a secure financial history. Make sure to revisit this process periodically to keep your records up to date. This will ensure you have all necessary documentation for future reference. By following these steps, you can efficiently backup your payout records with Payoneer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.